Hello! Welcome to the GuideKnight YouTube channel. Whether you're looking for a device for fitness tracking, an extension of your smartphone, or something that can save your life in some emergencies, there's a Galaxy Watch for you. In fact, all the Samsung Galaxy Watch models can do those things. But some models do it better than others. Some look better than others, too. Samsung has made 5 iterations of its smartwatch with a few design variations. The latest flagships are the Samsung Galaxy Watch 5 and Galaxy Watch 5 Pro, though you can often buy older models like the Galaxy Watch 4.
Number 3. Samsung Galaxy Watch 4.
The Galaxy Watch 4, our favorite Android-compatible smartwatch from 2021, is still a solid option if you're on a budget. It originally retailed for $249.99, but it now starts at $199.99. The Galaxy Watch 4 looks and works just like its successor, with the same minimalist design, gorgeous display, and functional digital bezel for navigation. As with its pricier counterparts, Google Maps and the Google Play Store come pre-installed, alongside Samsung standbys like Samsung Pay for mobile payments and SmartThings for smart home control.
Number 2. Samsung Galaxy Watch 5 Pro.
The Samsung Galaxy Watch 5 Pro takes aim at Garmin watches, positioned as the best GPS watches for outdoor sports enthusiasts that Samsung has ever released. When it comes down to the Samsung Galaxy Watch 5 versus Galaxy Watch 5 Pro, the Galaxy Watch 5 Pro has a more durable design, a few GPS tools, and a longer battery life. Yes, all things worth appreciating. These perks have the making of a great everyday smartwatch, not just a sports watch. Some might lament the lack of rotating bezel, but that's what the Galaxy Watch 4 Classic is for.
Number 1. Samsung Galaxy Watch 5.
The Samsung Galaxy Watch 5 has a new skin temperature reader, more scratch-resistant display, and a longer-lasting battery life. It's the best Samsung watch yet, because while there aren't a ton of differences between the Samsung Galaxy Watch 5 versus Galaxy Watch 4, the changes make what was already a great device all that much better. And starting at $279, it remains a fair value. Though the skin temperature reader won't work at launch, there's plenty to like about the Galaxy Watch 5. For one, it lasted for an entire 2 days in our testing, and reached almost 50% charge from 0% in 30 minutes.
You are new here, subscribe our channel and like the video.